friends, welcome to another episode of Learning How to Skate. Today I'm wearing my roller skates and I have my friend here to help me.
What's up? I'm Holly and I'm going to be showing you what not to do when learning how to roller skate.
And I'm going to show you what to do when you're learning how to roller skate. Okay, let's get started.
When getting up on your roller skates, there's a few things you want to try not to do. The mountain climber on your wheels will help you from not having friction. The crab crawl, there's just no real balance here to help. And then trying to get straight up from a seat, you're just gonna fall back.
You actually want to start on your knees and then put one foot in front of you, push up off your knee with your weight on your forward foot and keep your weight forward.
Make sure not to fly backwards, because that's the most common way beginners will fall.
If you're feeling really imbalanced, you can even hold onto your knees to feel safe. And if you really need to, and there is a railing, you can hold onto it, but
don't rely too much on your support of the railing or anything though.
You're gonna start with your feet in the shape of a V and bend at your knees.
Don't bend at the waist and no hunching either.
And then your first steps are gonna be little tiny steps in the V shape.
Don't take off as fast as you can. Don't take big steps right out the gate. Don't think you're gonna be an expert to start.
Slow and steady. You can kind of waddle like a penguin or a duck. And as that gets comfortable, you can push longer and stronger and progress into your basic strides.
Don't start on a hill and don't aim your skates straight down the hill. You'll inevitably end up picking up way too much speed, and as a beginner you probably won't know what to do with it and you'll end up losing control.
Find a smooth, flat surface. If you can't avoid it, you need to keep your skates perpendicular to the downhill to stay in control. So that might be a side step down for really beginners. A little bit more advanced, you could make turns to stay in control. And remember, the sharper you turn, the slower you're gonna go or stop.
Don't flail or windmill your arms if you feel like you're gonna fall.
Arms up for balance. If you feel like you're gonna fall, keep them balanced.
Don't keep your feet or wheels glued to the ground, and don't push off just one foot or one stopper. That's a common mistake.
When you're learning, you wanna pick up both your feet to push with even weight distribution.
Don't pick your heels up and kick your butt.
You want to pick your feet up in front of you because you're moving forward. One exercise to try for practice is to lift your knees up real high marching.
Don't just look at your feet.
Look straight ahead where you're going. Watch out for obstacles and other people.
You don't want to skate too wide because you could get stuck in the splits.
Keep your steps narrow. And with every step, focus on maintaining the V shape.
Don't lock your legs out and try to skate with your legs straight. Too stiff in your limbs.
Buoyant knees, stay loose and relaxed. Remember, practice is your best teacher.
And I like to say practice makes practice. Thanks, guys. And whatever you do, don't give up.